So color psychology, that is basically, to summarize, what the color of your call to action button is. And I suggest you use an orange, perhaps not as bright as this one, or a green. So to do that, all you go to is your online store, themes, edit the theme, and just go into colors, and you will basically find the colors for the primary and the secondary buttons, and you just want to test and change them and work out whether this is a primary or secondary button. I'm pretty sure this is a primary button in this specific theme, though it is a custom theme. And all you want to do is change it. There are color picker extensions for Google Chrome. If you perhaps want to go over to Amazon and copy the color of their add to cart button, install the color picker extension, head over to Amazon, use the extension to pick up the hex code, click on your color here and type in the hex code here, and then save the changes. So yeah, you want oranges or greens.